You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word that originates from French, hence probably the confusing spelling. It comes from French voyeur or voyeurisme. In English, it's used and pronounced as voyeurism. Let's break it down. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Voyeurism. Stress on that first voice syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Voyeurism from French, voyeurisme. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.